Hey trainers, welcome back to the channel! Today we're doing a Pokemon quiz for kids. We have 30 questions, starting easy and getting a little trickier as we go. Grab a pencil, keep score, pause the video if you need to, and let's see how many Pokemon questions you can get right. All right, Pokedex ready? Let's begin. First question. What creature do Pokemon trainers catch? Pokemon. Second question. Who is the main character in the Pokemon series? Ash Ketchum. Next round. What do you throw to catch a Pokemon? A Pokeball. What color is Pikachu? Yellow. Round 5. What animal is Pikachu based on? A mouse. Round 6. What type of Pokemon is Charmander? Fire type. Round 7. What type of Pokemon is Squirtle? Water type. I know you can guess this. What type of Pokemon is Bulbasaur? Grass type. Round 9. What do Pokemon do when they get stronger? They evolved. Next round. True or false? Pikachu is a Pokemon. True. What you think about this? Who is Ash's first Pokemon? Pikachu. I know you can guess this. What does Charmander evolve into? Charmeleon. Any idea? What does Squirtle evolve into? Wartortle. What you think about this? What does Bulbasaur evolve into? Ivysaur. Next round. Which Pokemon says its own name? Pikachu. Next round. What type of Pokémon is Pikachu? Electric type. Any idea? What Pokémon heals others at Pokémon centers? Chansey or Nurse Joy helps. What you think about this? What city does Ash start his journey in? Pallet Town. What team is always trying to steal Pokémon? Team Rocket. What Pokémon is known as the Fire Horse Pokémon? Ponyta. What you think about this? What does Pikachu evolve into? Raichu. How many Pokémon can a trainer carry at one time? Six. What Pokémon is known as the Lizard Pokémon and can fly? Charizard. Any idea? What type of Pokémon is Jigglypuff? Fairy/normal type. What you think about this? What item makes Pokémon stronger in battles? Potions or power-up items. What device holds information about Pokémon? A Pokédex. What Pokémon sleeps a lot and blocks the road? Snorlax. Which Pokémon is known as the Water Turtle Pokémon? Squirtle. What you think about this? What is Ash's dream? To become a Pokémon Master. I know you can guess this. Finish the phrase, gotta catch 'em. Awesome job, trainers! You just finished 30 Pokémon questions! How many did you get right? Tell us your score in the comments below. If you had fun, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us which Pokémon quiz you want next. Until next time, gotta catch 'em all!